Very good morning, children. So, this is your grammar session. The sixth lesson, adjectives. Okay. So, whether you have gone through the introduction part of adjectives, explanation part of adjectives. So, please just go through the introduction part so that it will be easy for the exercise. Okay. So, the main thing first you have to listen to the introduction, explanation, then only you can do the exercise. Got it? So, please go through the introduction part of chapter 6, adjectives. Got it? So, this is a exercise part. Okay, so it is little lengthy only, more divisions are there, so I can understand that you will feel little tired or bored, but what to do, anyhow we have to study, no? So please cope up. It is very easy. First thing you have to have interest. Okay, so simply if you just listen to the videos or simply if you just watch the video, sure you can't understand. First you should think that grammar is easy and you can understand, you know grammar. So in an interesting way you have to watch the video, then only you can understand. Or simply without having any interest, if you watch the video, matlab sure 100% you may not know what it is said in this. Okay, so please kindly have an interest and then watch the grammar videos. Got it? So yeah, so this is the first division. Let us see. Complete these sentences with suitable adjectives of quantity from the box. Okay, so adjectives of quantity is given here. So from this box you have to choose the quantity and you have to write in the dash. So once you first read the full question, okay, so here they have given 8 questions I think. Okay, yeah, see 8 questions are given. So please first read this 8th question first, then read this bracket, the words are given now, read this, then you can at least you can have an idea how to write, what answer will come, sure you can have idea, then you can apply the words in the dash. Okay, so see, we don't have dash time to complete the test, we must hurry. Hurry matlab we must do soon, fast. So what, enough time, we don't have enough time, matlab we have only less time, so we want to do fast. Got it? So while reading itself you can understand, but if you say that ma'am I can't understand the meaning, in the sense matlab you are not reading. Reading matlab this one sentence I am not saying to reading, you should have reading practice daily. आपको ज़रूर रीड करना है, एक एक पेज और एक एक पैराग्राफ रीड करना है, then only you can understand the meaning of the sentence, तो भी आपको मालूम होगा, और तो नहीं पता नहीं होगा. ठीक है, so first you have to just read, at least read daily one paragraph, it will be easy to understand the meaning of the sentence. Okay, yeah, second one, there was not a dash fruit on the tree, the birds had eaten them all. So what, single fruit, one fruit, single fruit is also not in the tree, एक भी फ्रूट नहीं है. ठीक है, ऑन द ट्री एक भी फ्रूट नहीं है. वाई? बिकॉज बर्ड्स हैड ईटन देम ऑल, बर्ड्स एट देम. गॉट इट? या थर्ड वन, a dash students came to school in the rain, most of them were absent. Okay, so what happened? So most of them absent, in this itself you can understand, most of them absent matlab maximum students are absent, so only few students came because of rain. ठीक है, due to barish rain, only some students came to school. So first, it is very easy to apply when the answer is given in the bracket. Okay, but you have to understand. First read and understand. See the next. The nest was dash after the birds flew away. They never came back. What happened? Empty. The nest was empty after the birds flew away. Flew away matlab they have fly. Past tense of fly is called flew. Okay? So they have fly. So if the birds are not there matlab what? It will be empty, no? Yeah. So it will be empty. The birds have fly. So it will be empty. The nest is empty. The nest was. It is in past tense. Nest was empty. Birds didn't come back. Okay. Fifth one. See, please, I have written in a small letter here E. Please you note down it in capital letter. Okay. So write while you are writing, write in capital letter E. Okay. Here even M is in small letter. Make it capital. Write in capital letter. Dash people came to watch the football match. The stadium was almost full. So enough people came to watch. Okay, enough matlab. Yeah. We will say no. Yeah. Enough. What? This much. Okay. So if for a good example, if you are having food, your stomach gets full. Hereafter you can't have food. That much it is full. Matlab what will you say? Enough. Stop. Enough. You will say no. Yeah. Food is enough. That's what. So enough people came to watch the football match. The stadium was almost full. Got it? Yeah, next one. I don't think I can have the dessert. I am quite full. Dessert here, this dessert matlab sweets. Okay? Here the desserts matlab sweets. So quite full. So what happened? I can't have sweet. My stomach is full. Okay, stomach is full. Here they didn't mention stomach, but the meaning is stomach is full. I am quite full matlab kya? I am full matlab what full? Stomach is full. Okay? See seventh one. Dash of many books were damaged by termites. Few were saved. So here what is the meaning of termites? Termites matlab kya hai? Small insects, no? Which spoils the books. So small insects. Termites matlab small insects. So see, many of my books were damaged by termites. Many of the books are damaged by the insect. Few matlab some. Okay, few were saved. Got it? See, he was a little scared to go out in the dark since there was no one outside. Okay, so no one is outside. So what happened? He was little scared. Scared matlab afraid, fear. Okay, already I have said this. Afraid, fear. So little afraid. Thoda. Okay, little afraid, fear. Because no one is outside. So he feel afraid, fear, scared to go outside. Got it? Yeah, so if you read like this and if you understand and read, it will be very easy for you. Okay? See, come for the B session. Underline the adjectives of quality. Okay? What is this? Quality in these sentences. So, you have to underline the quality. Adjective of quality. See, one day have done quality. Okay? See, we had a tasty meal at the canteen. How the meal was? It was very good, tasty. So the quality is tasty. Underline the word tasty. Second one, I like the new monthly story. Okay? What is this? New monthly story being published by the magazine. So story, new monthly story. Here quality is new. So new story, new monthly story will come now every month. Yeah. So this new story, he or she, whoever it is, like. Okay. Magazine, you know now what is magazine? I hope you have come across the word magazine. Yeah, third one. The garden was full of pretty tulips. Pretty matlab what? Beautiful tulips. So here tulips matlab, do you know what is tulips? Flower. Okay, so it is flower. We should not pronounce as flower nahi hai. Flower. ठीक है? So tulips is a type of flower. Pretty matlab beautiful. So what flower? What tulip? Pretty. Beautiful tulip. Beautiful flower. Okay. Fourth one. The rectangular box has the electrician's tools. Okay. Electrician's tools. So what box? Rectangular box. You know the shape square, rectangle, triangle. So rectangular box. Okay. Rectangular. So this is the quality. Fifth one. There is a small gathering in the evening. So what gathering? Small gathering, which qualifies the noun. Okay. So adjective is a quality of which qualifies the noun. So here in these sentences they are saying the quality. What are the qualities? Okay. See, small gathering. How was the gathering? Small gathering. See, gathering, you know, in the assembly you used to gather, get together. Okay? Everyone get together in assembly, no? That is called gathering. Prayer for prayer. Everyone will get together, gather. Yeah, see? The old rugs were left to dry. Old rugs were left to dry. Here rugs matlab no, like mat. Old cloths. Old cloth, old mat. Down we will put now old mat, that is. Okay, so it was left to dry. So what rugs? Old rugs, purana. Okay. See next, the cotton towels were used to wipe the kitchen sink. In kitchen, you know, sink will be there, no, washing area. Yeah. So cotton towels were used to wipe, used to clean. Okay, cotton towels. What towels? Cotton towels. Eighth one, Reena has a very sweet voice. How was the voice? Sweet voice. Reena's voice was sweet. Okay, Reena has a very sweet voice. This is the quality. So underlined words are the adjective of quality. Got it? So just read this, watch this 2-3 times. It will be very easy. You can understand very well. Okay, it is not that much difficult. Yeah, so C division. Rewrite these sentences using the interrogative adjectives in the bracket. Interrogative, question type I have said, no, question type. So this is very easy. See, come, let's see. Jane borrowed her friend's pen. So you have to ask the question. Okay? Jane borrowed her friend's pen. Whose pen did Jane borrow? Because ed is there. That's why did will come in the past tense. That's why in question did will come. See, whose pen did Jane borrow? Okay, so that's why I said to you, first talk in English, try to talk in English, read English lesson daily, at least one page, or at least daily one paragraph read, so that you will have reading practice. If you have matlab, you can frame the sentence. See, if you read matlab, you can understand a little and you will try to talk a little. If you try to talk a little, this framing question, framing answer, it will be very easy for you. Okay. But if you are not reading the chapter, you are not reading the lesson, you are not trying to talk in English matlab, this is 100% difficult for you. Sure. You can't do it, you can't understand. So basic is, first you have to read the lesson, try to talk in English, then this grammar part, it will be very easy. Okay. See, come for the second one. Rishabh bought a blue bag. Rishabh bought a blue bag. So in bracket itself they have given the word. So it is very easy to frame the sentence. See, what did Rishabh bring? So in present tense only we have to ask. See, What did, because what is given now. So here past tense, that's why in question also past tense. What did Rishabh bring? Okay, bring, because already did past tense is there. So did plus verb 1 will come, bring. Okay, what did Rishabh bring? Third one, there is a bag on the table. There is a bag on the table. Whose? Whose bag is on the table? Whose bag is on the table? Very easy. The blue tie is better than the red one. Blue tie is better than the red one. So form sentence by which. Which tie is better? Very simple. See. Which tie is better? That's all. Oh my god. See here question mark I didn't put. So very important. Please write the question mark. Full stop we should not keep. This is a question word. See question word is given. Interrogative sentence matlab question. Full stop. So what is this? Question mark should be there. Kindly write the question mark here. Okay? Yeah. So the builders are having lunch. So what? Okay? What are the builders having? They are having lunch. See. The builders are having lunch. What are? See verb are is given. What are the builders having? Okay? Come for the next. This is the shortest route to the market. They have given in brackets, so it is very easy to frame the question. Which is the shortest route to the market? See, which is the shortest route to the market? Fully you are writing as it is, only you have to replace this with which. Which is the shortest route to the market? Got it? That's what I said. If you talk in English means it will be very easy for you. Can you see here a parrot is eating guava? Huh? The parrot loves to eat guavas. The parrot loves to eat guavas. So what? What does the parrot love to eat? Very simple. What? Loves is there, no? So that's why does will come. Okay? Does. Present. Does should come. Loves. What does the parrot love to eat? Very simple this is. Uma is wearing her sister's hat. Already I have said the meaning of hat matlab cap. So Uma is wearing her sister's hat. Whose hat is Uma wearing? See, whose hat is Uma wearing? So this all you can easily frame sentence if you try to read the lessons, if you try to talk in English, or else it will be really difficult. So please at least now try to read daily one page and try to speak in English. Whether it is perfect or not, that is secondary. That is not a matter. But just try it. Okay? When I am asking the question and answers in this online class also, you are not responding. First respond. Okay? Yeah. Next division D. This is really wonderful, very easy. See, write N for adjective of number. For number you have to write N, and Q for adjective of quantity. For quantity you have to write Q. Okay, that's what I have written. And you see number matlab you can count, no? Here quantity you can't count. This is very simple. Number you can count, quantity you can't count. See. The first one, there were many people at the fair. Okay? So at the fair matlab in festival all they will put no many shops. That is called a fair. In many shops in festival times they will put in function times outside. That is called a fair. From different places the people will come and they will gather together. They will put more shops. Okay? That is called fair. There were many people at the fair. So many people. We can count the people, no? Yeah. So people we can count. This is number, adjective of number. People we can count. So many people, number, adjective of number. That's why N. Okay. Second one, we had a little rain in the evening. Can you count the rain? Naina? So quantity. Quantity Q. She didn't have any money to go home. Okay? Money we can't count. Money we can't count. Only rupees we can count. Money is countless. Rupees only we can count. So any money matlab Q we can't count. Quantity. Okay? Karan bought 5 apples from the shop. Apples we can count. That's why N. Farin didn't have much time to finish her work. So time we can't count, no, much time. More time she has, but we can't count the time. So it is quantity Q. The village has a few schools with canteens. Few schools we can count, no, it is countable. That's why number N. There aren't any photographs in the album. Photos are not in album. So photos we can count, no, how many photos? So it is countable. N. Got it? How many pebbles do you pick? Pebbles matlab small, the stones, shiny stones. In water it will be there, and in sand it will be there, no, shining soft stones. That is called pebbles. Okay. So how many pebbles did you pick? Did you take? Pick. So pebbles, that stone we can count now. That's why number. N, adjective of number. Got it? Yeah, so it is very easy and simple if you understand. Lekin without understanding, if you just watch the video, and without interesting, if you watch the video, it is really tough, difficult. Okay? So please understand and watch the video. Got it? This scenery is good, no? Because no, the divisions are more. If I take on going matlab, you will be feel very tired, very bored. That's what. I just inserted a picture for your relaxation. Just see the picture. Rainbows are there, mountains are there, sun, then see birds. Got it? Colorful birds, deer, swan, a boy standing and watching this everything, trees, wow, and house. See here, one house is there. Water, super scenery, nice, no? So please, plant trees. I mean, trees we can't, okay? So small seed or small plant will be the, no, please plant it, okay? Because plants are very important. Through plants only we are getting oxygen. So maximum try to have a plant tree in your house, okay? At least if tree is not possible also, no, not bad. At least small plant we should have. From the plants only, from the trees only we are getting oxygen. And rain, through the help of plant only, tree only we are getting the rain also, oxygen, wind, air, everything we are getting. So it is very important. So don't destroy the plants, trees. Save the plants, trees. Okay? Yeah. See here they are playing. Students are playing in the park. So don't worry that in this lockdown, in this COVID, you can't go outside. Okay? So don't think that you are missing these things. What to do? Yeah, of course you are missing. We can't do anything now. So try to please play in the home itself. Okay? In your home, if you have any corridor, little place outside, or in your garden you can play, or inside your home itself you can play, in the bedroom, in the hall, living room. Okay? Yeah, see they are playing nice, no? Yeah. So please go through the lessons also. So the next it starts E division. Let us go for it, understand and then study. Okay? This is also very easy. See, complete these sentences with possessive adjectives. What is this? Possessive adjectives. Possessives, already I have said, no? My, his, her, their. So these words are possessive. See, it is given here. आपका, मेरा, तेरा, उनका. We will say like this, no? That words. See, Usha and her sisters are in Kerala with their parents. With their parents, plural. That's why their parents. Okay. Brinda and her friend are talking in the garden. See, Brinda and her friend are talking in the garden. The cat licked its paws. That paws, what is it? Leg, no? That soft place will be there, no? In leg and hand of cat. Licked matlab, you know, cat will lick and drink, no? The milk, lick. Yeah, cat and dogs, they will lick, no? How they will take food? Whether they have hands to take food? Nay, they don't have hands, no? So how they will? Through the mouth, through the tongue they will eat, no? That is called as lick. Okay? So licked its paws. We have booked our train ticket to Puri. We have booked our, because we, plural. So here also our, adjective. See, possessive adjective, our ticket, train ticket. Please write this in capital. Okay? First letter always should be in capital. Their silverware was stolen last night. Silverware matlab vessel only. Okay? Coated with silver color, silver coated. Coated matlab applied. Okay? You know, no, the vessel, silver applied, silver color. The vessel is lost. Stolen means someone took last night. Okay? So their silverware was stolen last night. They had called the police. How, ma'am, there? Because see here, they, plural, no? That's why there. They had called the police. So you can see here, they. So what will the possessive? There. It is in plural. That's why here also there. Okay? I was in my room reading a book when Govind and his brother came. Okay? See here, subject is I. So what will come? Possessive. My room. I was in my room reading a book when Govind and his brother came. Govind is a boy, so his brother came. Okay? This shawl belonging to my great grandmother has been in our family for a long time. Okay? This shawl, you know, no? Shawl. Belonging matlab their things. Belonging, already I said this. Belonging things, their things. This shawl belonging to my great grandmother. She has been in our family. So what, your grandmother will be in your family only, no? My grandmother matlab in my family. Now we are saying in plural. So our family. Okay? Your family sitting together and you are talking about your family matlab our family. Okay? Have you finished your homework? So when I ask question also, I used to ask like this only, no? Have you finished your homework? Yeah. So आपका homework, तेरा homework. So your in plural. Okay? Your. So this is a puzzle. See, complete the puzzle. You have to complete this. This is very easy. See here. 1, 2, 3. 3 is given. Okay? See, I have done for you. There. See, there. House. Wise. Whose. Enough. So how can you do this? First you don't do this. See this. See. Through this only you can do. Answers are here. First you have to finish this. Then you should come for this. Okay? See. We meet possessive. Their friends yesterday. Okay? Their friends. They have given what type of sentence? So it is easy. See. My grandfather is a wise man. Quality. What man? What type of man? Wise, intelligent, clever man. Okay? We have enough time to finish the project. Quantity, enough time. Okay? To finish the project we have enough time. See, demonstrative. Those boys are playing for the team. Those boys are playing for the team. Here we can write these boys also we can write. No, नहीं तो यहाँ हाँ these boys also you can write, no problem. ठीक है. See, interrogative मतलब question type. See, whose house is closest to the whose house is closest to the station? Whose house is closest to the station? किसका घर. ठीक है. Whose मतलब किसका घर. See, so first finish this, then after apply here. In this puzzle it will be very easy. ठीक है. See, there, those, wise, whose, enough. Got it? Yeah. So this is also very easy. See, look for the adjectives in the mass. There are 6 of them. See, adjective you have to find. See, fancy, fancy, scary, that fear, no, scary, and fancy, fancy story, fancy tales, or fancy dress, whatever it is. Okay, fancy dress, fancy competition will be there, no, fancy competition. Okay, fancy, then scary, here see, brave, strong, okay, brave, smart, smart person, smart man, smart, eager, okay, eager, I'm eager to learn, eager. Okay, so it is very easy, so please circle this. Got it? Fancy, scary, brave, smart, eager. Got it? Yeah, this is the last division, don't worry. Don't get tired. Okay, this is the last division and this is very, very easy. See, demonstrative, I have said no already. Demonstrative means this, that, these, those. Demonstrative, adjective, and possessive. Mine, her, your. These words are possessive adjectives we have to write here. Okay, it is very simple and easy, like a story itself. Okay, see dialogues. If you read, you can understand. Ajay and old man. Okay, old man and Ajay is talking. Excuse me, I think you are sitting in my seat. Ajay is saying sitting in my seat. Old man is replying, no, that can't be this. This seat is mine. Okay? No, that can't be this. This seat is mine. वो ये नहीं है, ये मेरा सीट है. ठीक है, what is the explanation? नहीं, वो ये नहीं है, ये मेरा सीट है. No, that can't be this. This seat is mine. ठीक है. Ajay, are you sure? I saw my name on the chart outside. What's your seat number? So he is asking. Sure मतलब confirm. Are you sure? I saw my name. मेरा नाम. ठीक है, मैंने मेरा नाम देखा था. आउटसाइड नो, बाहर. इन चार्ट मेरा नाम मैंने देखा था. तो आपका सीट, व्हाट इज योर नंबर? योर सीट नंबर. आपका सीट नंबर क्या है? ठीक है, तो व्हाट इज योर सीट नंबर? सी द ओल्ड मैन इज रिप्लाइंग, इट्स M67. इट्स M67. अजय, माइन इज M67 एज वेल. तो मेरा भी M67 है. सो अजय इज सेइंग मेरा भी M67 है. Let us see what the old man replies. Old man, oh, these days the clerks are so careless, but I'm sure my memory is correct. You see, I remember because my age is 67 has well. This is as well. See, V नहीं है, well है. While capturing the photo, no, L is missed. ठीक है. well, ठीक है, what is saying, I know this is my seat number, and see, because these clerks, they are very careless. So those who train tickets, all those who are giving now, those they are very clever नहीं, sorry, careless है वो लोग, very careless, they are very careless. I know this is my seat number because मेरा एज 67 है, तो मेरा सीट नंबर भी 67. सो मुझे याद है, दिस इज मेरी सीट, मेरा सीट, ही सेइंग, ठीक है. सी हो, दीज डेज द क्लर्क्स आर सो केयरलेस, बट आई एम श्योर मतलब कन्फर्म, माई मेमोरी इज करेक्ट. मुझे याद है, माई मेमोरी इज करेक्ट. मेरा, ठीक है, माई मतलब मेरा. You see, I remember because my age is 67 as well. So his age is 67 and the seat number is also M67. Okay, Ajay. I see. Can I look at your ticket? So Ajay is asking, can I look at your ticket? Yes. Just as I thought. M67 is not your seat number. M stands for male and 67 is your age. This coach number is S4. These days the railways have changed the system. What happened? So these days the railway system is changed. You are correct. M मतलब male है, male, female, male we used to say no, yeah, gen, so male है M मतलब, and 67 आपका age है, लेकिन कोच नंबर है ना, that कोच नंबर is 64. तो ये कोच नंबर 64 नहीं है, आपको 64 जाना है, ठीक है. कैन यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस? आई सी. कैन आई लुक एट योर टिकट? योर मतलब आपका टिकट. yes, just as I thought, M67 is not your seat number. तो ये आपका सीट नंबर नहीं है. See, this all everything I said, no, M stands for male. And 67 is your age. आपका एज है 67. दिस कोच नंबर, ये कोच नंबर 64 है, ठीक है, ये कोच नंबर 64 है. These days railways have changed the system. Okay, see, the old man replies, oh, I am so sorry, now I must find S4. तो मुझे ढूंढना है, ठीक है, तो S4 सर्च करना है. सो ही सेज, हो, आई एम सो सॉरी, नाउ आई मस्ट फाइंड S4, ठीक है. या हियर इट ends. सो प्लीज kindly go through the videos, see in a interesting way. It is very interest only, don't see in a bore way, ठीक है. Can you guess this? What is this? This is a pond. See, water out there, pond. Save water, don't waste water. Water is very important and very essential also. Essential मतलब needed, important, ठीक है. Okay, bye. Thank you, dears.